Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best products out there. And today, we're diving into the world of kitchen essentials with the best xanthan gum for your food needs. If you're a fan of keto baking, gluten-free cooking, or simply looking for a versatile thickening agent, you've come to the right place. Let's explore why the xanthan gum powder from Micro Ingredients is quickly becoming a kitchen staple. First off, this product is a premium, food-grade xanthan gum that's perfect for thickening soups, sauces, dressings, and gravies. It's unflavored, so you don't need to worry about altering the taste of your food. Whether you're working on a new recipe or perfecting an old one, xanthan gum will help you achieve the right consistency without any hassle. This makes it an ideal option for those following keto, gluten-free, and vegan diets, where you need that extra support in your dishes. The beauty of this xanthan gum powder lies in its versatility. Not only does it help with thickening liquids, but it also plays a crucial role in gluten-free baking, providing the structure that typically wheat flour would. Whether you're making bread, cakes, or pizza dough, adding a small amount of xanthan gum will help with texture and moisture retention, making your baked goods rise and taste just right. Another thing that stands out is the fine texture of this powder. It dissolves effortlessly into your recipes, ensuring a smooth, clump-free experience. No more worrying about lumps or inconsistencies, just a perfect blend every time. Now, let's talk about the size. This 2-pound bag gives you plenty of powder for a variety of uses, and it's a great value for the price. Whether you're an avid baker or someone who likes to experiment in the kitchen, this bag will last a long time. Plus, the resealable packaging ensures the product stays fresh for an extended period, keeping it potent for all your culinary needs. Not only is this xanthan gum free of GMOs and gluten, but it's also vegan-friendly. That means everyone can enjoy it, no matter their dietary preferences. Whether you're on a keto diet, cooking gluten-free meals, or just looking for a clean and efficient thickener, this product has got you covered. In conclusion, the xanthan gum powder from Micro Ingredients is a must-have in any kitchen. It's easy to use, versatile, and works wonders for everything from thickening sauces to enhancing the texture of gluten-free baked goods. With its premium quality and great value, it's no surprise that it's becoming the go-to choice for home cooks and professional chefs alike. So, if you're looking for the best xanthan gum out there, look no further. It's available for purchase, and it'll make your cooking and baking easier, smoother, and more enjoyable. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to subscribe for more product reviews, and we'll see you in the next video.